Hello everyone. Today I am making this lovely fluffy soft puris which you can enjoy with either veg or non-veg dish of your choice. In Bengali this is also called luchi and we can also call it breads which is fried in hot oil. Whatever the name is, it tastes just so good. I am taking self-raising flour here. In self-raising flour, baking powder is already added and this helps the luchi or the puri to swell up nicely and also makes it very soft. First of all, I am adding 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoon of oil. Then nicely I am mixing it up. Mix it up nicely until it all comes together like this. Then add little water and make a nice soft dough. You can also use normal flour available in the market, but in that case please do add half a teaspoon of baking powder to that. This will help your puris to become more soft and fluffy, so don't miss this tip. After adding baking powder, now you can follow the other things which I am adding. It should not be very hard and it should not be very soft. It should have a nice soft smooth texture. See, our dough is now ready. I'll apply about a teaspoon of oil and then keep it for rest for minimum half an hour. After half an hour, see, our dough has risen up a little and it's absolutely soft and ready to use. Now we have to take small portions and make round small balls like this, and then I'm rolling it up into small round shapes. So this is done and then I will be rolling these and keeping it aside. So firstly I'm applying little oil on the rolling pin and the rolling plate. And then I am rolling the luchis or the puris. Roll it nicely. Do not make it very thin and do not keep it very thick. So as you see, I am rolling them nicely into a round shape. As much round as I can do, I have done it. So I'm here rolling up the second one. So we will just roll up all the puris like this and keep it aside. And then we will be heating up some oil and then fry these puris nicely. So here it will be swelling up. As you can see, it is already like a ball, swelled up so nicely. Definitely the self-raising flour helps it to swell up so nicely. In case you are using the baking powder, that will also do the same magic. And all our puris will be like round swelled up balls. See how nicely these are puffing up, and it is ready to enjoy now. It looks so yummy. Just have it with any dish of your choice and it will be very soft. Just trust me and try it this way. I'm sure you will love it. So all the puris are ready here, and today I will be serving it with dum aloo, which is made without any onion and garlic. If you want this recipe, I will put the link in the description box below. This dum aloo is also very tasty with some peas, and it's authentic vegetarian way. You can have it with the puri on the days in which you want a full vegetarian combo. So do try it out and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye bye.